Alright, so we now have 3 total pieces down from 5. I connected the top cap and the segment together, so it's one piece. I also made where the fan rests thicker for more stronger supports. As you can tell with me beating it up, it's pretty durable. The next piece is the bottom foot. I connected the bottom foot with the frame, so now it's one solid piece. As you can see me messing with it, it's pretty durable. Now here's the middle segment. It's pretty much standard from what you're used to. I'm showing off that I've increased the overall thickness of it. They're about 5 millimeters thicker. I've also rounded out the edges in between, just on the inside, so the fans can easily go in, be inserted. I also am showing a casing how durable they are. I'm squeezing the arms together, trying to pull them away. Now I'm showing you, I've added against the connector pieces a little ridge. When you snap them in place, you should hear a snap. You'll see as they go in, and I'm shaking them around, that they are now together. There won't be any annoying, pesky disassembly when you're trying to assemble them coming apart when you're trying to put them together or anything like that. Once you connect them and snap them in, they are snapped in. And they also are easily, since it's a triangle male and female connector, just get the tip of the triangle piece and pull away from there, and they should separate pretty easily. Now for connecting the rest of the frames. As I showed you here, just put your palms against the arms and just push down. Line up the male and female connectors, put your palms against it, and then apply force straight down, and you should hear a snap. Do this for all 4 corners on the frames. Again, you want to use your palms on the arms where the fan is supposed to be in between and push down, force going down. Now I'm inserting the filters. In this process, be mindful of the arrow, the airflow orientation. Either you want the airflow pushing in, meaning the fan is pushing air into the cube space out through the filters, or you want it pulling through the filters into the cube space out through the fan. Either one works. The orientation is up to you. Now once the filters are in, now it's for the top pieces. Same thing, it's a little bit difficult because the filters do get a little bit in the way. You kind of got to move them to get them to go in, but same thing, push them down, get the palms, and then push straight down, force going down, they'll snap in. Now this part, because I made the filters thicker, there will be about a 5 millimeter gap between the bottom filter and the side filter faces. You're going to have to duct tape these to seal it, to get a nice sealed airflow, nice sealed system. Just get some duct tape or whatever tape you want to use. I personally use duct tape or Gorilla Tape, and you tape around the gaps. When you flip it over and you put the fan on, you have to tape around the fan and the frame to create that sealed airflow. Otherwise, there will be some air leakings and it will not filter as efficiently as you would want. Here I am turning the fan on just to test it, show you how it's working. Now here I'm showing you the difference between a standard size filter, which is going to be roughly about a 19.5, 19 and a half length with about a 3/4 of an inch thickness. The filtretes are thicker. As you can see here, they are 11/16, 19 11/16 length and a 13/16 thickness. They are slightly longer and slightly thicker. You will need to buy the standard filter size at a 19 by 19 or buy the filtrete for anything larger. The filtrete's usually specifically for filtrete size filters, but if you have a filter that is larger, just get the filtrete size. The specifications I'll have in the description for your clarification.